Hello fellow calligraphy lovers, good to see you again. And today we'll be writing Emilio. If that's your name, watch extra carefully. So that's Emilio in the style of Chinese calligraphy. But what does it look like in Chinese? I'll show you. And while I'm doing it, let me just tell you something about the characters. Since Emilio has 4 syllables, the Chinese translation has 4 characters, 一米利奥. And just like the female version of Emilio is Emilia, there's a feminine version in Chinese too, 一米利亚. And the characters have feminine features too. But today, we'll just focus on the male version. These characters are relatively simple. Maybe the only one that's marginally complex is the last one, but even then, it's a symmetrical character. However, if you watched my previous tutorials, you'll know it's harder to write simple characters well, because there are less strokes. Any mistake you make are more easily exposed. Tricky, isn't it? That's why a lot of calligraphers started with perfecting simple strokes. I'll definitely show you how to start in my coming tutorials on materials and the basics. So remember to subscribe, guys. Cheers! As you can see, I'm breaking down the name to each letter, so you can see them better. Have you noticed the difference between these two styles? The ones on the left side are cursive, and on the right we have print. Just want to show you that there are different fonts when it comes to Chinese calligraphy, just like the Western ones. And depends on each calligrapher's aesthetic, they put their idiosyncratic designs in their calligraphies. So that's all about Emilio. I hope I was able to offer you some useful insights on the Chinese calligraphy. Till next time, enjoy writing.